Want to create professional social media posts without spending hours designing them? Canva makes it easy to create eye-catching content for Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and other platforms. Even if you're completely new to design, you can create polished posts in minutes. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to create social media posts in Canva in 2026. First, sign in to Canva and search for the type of social media post you want to create. You can choose templates for Instagram posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn graphics, and much more. Next, browse through Canva's template library and pick a design that matches your brand or message. Templates give you a professional starting point and can be customized however you like. Replace the sample text with your own content. Add your headline, message, call to action, or promotional details. Try to keep the text concise so it's easy to read while scrolling. Upload your own photos or use Canva's built-in image library. You can also add your logo, brand colors, and graphics to create a consistent visual identity. Take a moment to preview the post and make sure everything looks balanced. Check spacing, colors, alignment, and readability before exporting. When you're satisfied with the design, click Download and choose PNG for high-quality images. Then upload the post to your preferred social media platform. And that's how to create social media posts in Canva. With templates, customization tools, and a little creativity, you can create content that looks professional and helps capture attention online. So yeah, keep experimenting and develop a style that fits your brand. Thanks for watching.